How to make 3D steel bar cylinder shape in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Click anywhere empty and press Shift+Space. Search for Shape 3D, Merge 3D, Renderer 3D, and add them and connect them to Media Out. Select Renderer 3D node and enable lighting and shadows. Select Shape 3D node, change shape to cylinder, and decrease radius and height. Increase base subdivisions all the way up. Now select Merge 3D node, press Shift+Space, search for Spotlight, and add it. Click on this button to see the second viewer. Select Spotlight and press the 1 key on your keyboard to see it in the left viewer. Right-click on the bottom left of Viewer and choose Top. Drag the blue arrow, which is Transform Z property of the spotlight, until you can see your shape in the right viewer. Also, you can go to Transform tab and increase Translation Z property. Select Shape 3D, go to Material tab, and change its color to your liking. To add some animation to the shape, click on Transform tab. Right-click on the Y property and choose Modify with Anim Curves. Set curve to easing, in out to cubic, and scale to 360. Go back to Tools tab, right-click on the Translation X property, and choose Connect to Anim Curves on Shape 3D Y value. Now this bar rotates 360 degrees in Y and X axis for the entire length of the composition. Now go to Effects tab, expand Templates, expand Fusion, and click on Shaders. Scroll down and drag Steel into Composition and connect it to Shape 3D. Select Merge 3D node, press Shift+Space, search for Ambient Light, and add it. Increase intensity to your liking. Now go back to Edit page and drag the composition into Timeline.